Everything is fine now, guys. Use the chat box.
Yes, Ravi, everything is perfect.
I'm audible. Okay, so this is what our prefix. Okay, so in this, what we will do now? In this, what we will do now? We so based on this prefix, I want to write based on this property. These properties are there, right? These properties are there. This property, based on this property, what we will do now, guys? Based on this property, we will write what property file, right? So how we will write the property file? How we will write the property file? Okay, so let's see that properties, application property, right? Application properties, right? So let's write it. Let's write the application property, right? Let's write application property, right? So what is that? What is that? What is that? My application, right? My application. Okay. Take the data here. Okay, my application. Okay. So what my dot what app, right? My dot what app. After then what we will take employee, right? Employee. So let's increase what emp1 variable here data here we have to increase it, right? Increase it emp. This is the emp. No problem. Okay, just take what is that my dot app dot emp, right? Emp dot what? Emp dot eid. Take the eid, right? Eid equal to what? 10. Another one is what? Another one is what? Just take what? My dot app dot what? My dot app dot what? App dot what? Emp employee emp dot what? E name, right? E name is there, right? E name equal to what? Equal to what? Just take the Ravi, right? Fine. Another one is what, guys? Double is there, right? So how we will take my dot app dot emp, right? Emp dot what? Esal, right? Esal. Oh, emp, esal. Esal equal to one, just 20.2, just right, like okay. After then what? My dot app dot what? My dot app dot what? C. From here onwards set is there, guys. Yesterday we seen that syntaxes, right? Syntaxes. If list, set and array is there, so how we can indexes we will represent, right? So what is that? Emp dot what is the reference? Project, right? Project. So take the proj. Okay, index number. Here we will give the zero. What is that? Just I'm giving what is that? Project equal to P1. Project P1. Okay, means project first, one project. Okay. Another one is what? Same. I need to give what? Another project. So copy this one same only na. So here paste it index number. Just increase what? Index two project two, right? Project two like this. Okay. So after then what? No, I want what is that? Map is there. Next one is what? Map. We know that in the map what is that? Data will store in the key and value format, right? Data will store in the what? Key and value format. So what we will do now? So what we will do now? How we can write it like this? Okay. So what? My dot what? App dot my dot app dot what? emp emp dot what? Emp dot what? Emp dot what? Key. What is the key? What is the reference data type module, right? Module, right? Dot key. We will write the key. What is that? Just taking, I'm taking what is that? Module one, right? Module one equal to module one equal to what is that? 5.0. Just I'm taking what is that? Module is what? 5.0. Okay. Now another one is what? One more I'm taking here. Copy and paste it, right? M2. Here I'm taking what? M2. Now here just I'm taking 4 point dummy, any dummy value I'm giving, right? So now fine. Okay, like this. Okay. So this is the to injecting what? Map collection. Now references is there, reference address is there, right? Address. So how we will write it now? My dot app dot emp dot, right? Emp dot what? Address addr address dot. Okay. Address dot what is that? Inside that address class pin is there, right? Pin just 2.1 I'm writing. Okay. Now my dot what? App dot what? emp dot what addr dot what location equal to what is that Mysore, like this. Okay, like this we will write it. Okay, like this we will write the property. Okay, property. But see this here, guys. Here duplicate data, multiple duplicate data is there. See, just last key is different. After then what? Multiple duplicate data are there or not, guys? Multiple duplicate data is there or not? So to avoiding this move multiple duplicate data, for that what we ML concept also there, right? ML concept also there. So for that, how we are writing ML for this? What is that this class? How we will write the ML? So see this, okay? See this one more time, okay? See this. What is that? My colon. Now one space add colon. Now one space here. After then what is that? EMP, take EMP. Now one space. Okay. Now what is that? EID, right? EID equal to 10. Okay. Now in the same indentation. Okay. Same indentation. What is that? Now down. E name is there, right? E name equal to what? Just I'm taking what? Oh, sorry. Not equal to, guys. Sorry. It's mistake. Now colon. One space. Okay. Now here colon. One space. What is that? Ravi. Ravi. Now another one is what? Same indentation. What is that? Project is there, right? Because these are the attributes are only, right? These are the attributes only. Okay. So how we can write it now, guys? How we can write it now? Okay. So what is that? Project, right? Project. So what is that? What is the reference now? Proj is there, right? So proj, 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 Roj, proj, right? Now colon. Okay. Now enter. Okay. In the older version hyphen we have need, but we seen that yesterday, right? In the latest version hyphen is not taking indexes, right? Indexes. So what we will do now? Just we will write what is that? What is the project one? P1. After then what? P2, right? P2. Okay. So fine. Now come map is there, right? Map is what? Map is what? Modules. My map also attribute in the same class only, right? So based on this attribute, okay. This is the P1, P2. Now from here onward, right? Now enter it. The same, right? The same top is there, right? What is that? Based on this attribute only. We will write the again. What is that? Double module. Module is there, right? Module module colon. Now what we will do now? Enter and downside one space, right? One space key m1 colon one space. What is that? 5.0. Okay, another one is what? 5.0, right? 5.0. Now another one is what? M1 M2, right? M2 colon M2 colon is what? 4.0, right? 4.0, like this. This is the map collection, right? This is the map collection representation. Now another one is what, guys? Another one is what? uh, emp address pin is there, right? So now address is there. So what is the attribute? Address, right? Addr, right? Colon. Now in the same indentation of in the inner attribute, right? Inner attribute. What is the inner attribute now? What is the inner attribute? Location. Pin is there, right? Pin colon one space. What is that? Just 2021, right? 2021. Now another one is what? Another one is what? Pin. After the next one is what? Next one is what? Location is there, right? Location colon what is that? Match. This is the representation of what, guys? This is the representation of what? This is the representation of what? ML, right? ML of what? All permutation and the combination of what? All permutation and the combination of what? Our dependency, whatever dependencies is there, what different dependency collection based, okay, collection based, array based, and association. And association, right? Is a relation. So, so what we will do now? Let's already we have what? Already we have the class, right? Already in the last project address class is there, right? Address class and employee class, these two classes is there, right? These two classes is there. Inside that only what we will do now, guys? What we will do now? Just we will increase the property, right? we will increase the property. What property we will increase? Just we will increase the what private is like project module, right? Project module. So private what? Private just I'm taking what set module, right? Set module string. Sorry, string what? String what is that? Project, right? Project fine. Go save O. Why it's giving okay? No problem.
Space, Ravi. After string space.
1 minute. Set cannot be resolved by
Variable
yeah,
space.
1 minute.
String and prose, please space.
Attribute space, variable space.
Project, right? Why it's giving error? Set spelling is correct, right? Private. What is that? Set collection. I want set collection. Okay, set I take in now string. What is that? Yeah, correct. Now project, right? Projects. I'm taking what? Projects. Now find guys. Another one is what? Another one is what I'm taking now. Another one is what? Private what? Private map collection I'm taking, right? Map collection. Inside that key I'm taking what? String and value I'm taking integer only, right? Integer fine. So now what is that? Now double, let's take double, right? Double. Now fine. Okay. So here I'm taking what is that? Module, right? Module size. Okay. So fine. Address already is there, right? Address, this is the our class, right? Based on this one, what is that? Already we wrote, right? What we already completed what property and ml, right? Let's write it. Okay, already some already we completed, right? Like this. Okay, see here what already this much we completed now only. So what we have need to do now? Just project is there, right? Project is there. So what we will do now? Here let's increase one more emp, right? Emp. Okay, emp. Here's the runner class. Check it. This one also working or not, because null again, right? Okay, no problem. Let's remove the emp. I thought that here emp one prefix will come inside this prefix. In this version some issue is there, guys. Okay, no problem. Okay, I will check it why it's not taking these things. Okay, new things, what older things is not taking. What new version, right? New version. Now it will work like this directly. If we are taking, that one is working now, but if we are taking what is that extra, then those things is not able to itself directly null is Now it's fine. Okay, so let's work on based on this behavior only, right? So what is that? Okay, guys. So come here. What is the prefix my dot app, right? My dot app. So here, okay. So take what my dot app dot what my dot app dot what here project is there, right? Project, copy this one, copy this one. Some in new version more changes is there because of the yesterday. See that in the array whenever we are putting, it's taking what is the high one slash symbol is giving what indexes, but in the new version by default that one is removed, that one is removed. Okay, no problem, that is the new experience, guys. Okay, so fine, so fine now. Okay, so here what project detail index, right? Index 0, I'm giving what index 0, right? On the index 0, 0, what is that? Projects app, yeah, project index 0, 0th index, what is that? Equal to what? Just I'm taking what p1, right? Project 1. Another one more I'm going to take, right? Copy this one, paste it. What is that? P2. Take the P2, fine. Index number 1, index number 1. Okay, so one more attribute is there, right? One more attribute is there. What is that? Module, right? Module, copy this one, come inside that what, come inside this one, what my dot app dot what, my dot app dot what module is there, right? Module, inside this one what, inside this one what, guys? Inside this one, just I'm taking what m1 dot m1, right? Key, and key is what is the, just I'm taking 5.0, right? 5.0. Okay, another one is what, copy this one, copy this one, paste it, and a m2, this is the m2. Now what is that? 5 point, just take the 4 point, this is the, now our data like this we are injecting or not, come on, like this we are injecting in the property. Based on that, run this application and we can able to see this one. Okay, yeah, see, employee emp name Ravi, project p1 p2, right? Module, this modules, and this is the all permutation and combination based on that what property now, based on that what, guys? Property now. Okay, so ml file, let's complete eml also. Now new what file, take the file what application dot what yml, right? Yml. I know, guys, this one little bit look like boring, right? But this is the basic things we have need to what bear these things. Okay, so now because based on that next level discussion all about property only, right? Just we write the one line in the property, everything will complete. Because of that, here I'm explaining much about this one. Okay, so we know that. Okay, so let's comment it, let's comment all, because property priority is first, right? Property priority is what? First latest version, so much changes is there. Previously, right, YAML file is first, but now it's again what is that? Property file is become first. Okay, so now fine, guys. So what is that? Prefix is what? My colon, now space, what is that? App colon, app colon, right? App colon, now come down, what is that? Come here, right? In the employee class, what is that? emp id is there, right? emp id is there. Now emp id is there. Now paste it, colon, what space, one space, right? 101 I'm taking now in the same indentation, right? So what is that? Another emp name is there, copy this one and paste it here, right? Now colon, one space, now take the Ravi, right? Take the Ravi. Okay, fine. Another one is what? Another one is what, guys? Another one is what? Project is there, but this is the set, right? This is the set. So what we will do now? Colon, right? Colon. So colon here, project, now downside, right? One space, minimum one space, maximum any space you can give, right? So one space I'm giving, right? One space. So what we will do now, guys? What we will do now? So we will give here what? We will give what? P1. P1, project 1, P2, project 2 I'm taking, right? Now see, come here. What is that? Employee modules is there, right? Copy this one and come inside that. Come inside that. This one based on, if you take here, right? If you take here, then we will get what? Error, because this one will become child of attribute of what? Project. Then it will not work. Then what we will do now, guys? We will come to on project is there, right? Project one. Based on that what one. The project is there, right? Here only, right? Project, and we will come to attribute label, right? Attribute label. Yeah, we will come to this attribute label and now color. Then see that color also both value a color. This is the value, guys. This is the attribute. So this is the attribute. Must be, if you are taking the all attribute in the same indentation, otherwise you will get error. Otherwise you will get error. Now fine. So here what is that? Modules is there, right? Modules is there. Now come inside that what? Modules is there, but this is the what? Key and the value format. Now downside, right? One space, just I'm taking key m1 I'm taking, right? Key m1 colon one space, right? One space, what is that? Just take, I'm taking 3.3, 30.3, right? This is the, and the m2 I'm taking, right? Colon, now just I'm taking what? 40.0. Okay, this is the value of what? Module means map collection, right? Map collection in what? ML file. Address is there. Now come again. Address. Address, where we will take address. Now enter ADDR, right? ADDR. What is that? ADDR is there, right? ADDR. Now if you take the column, right? So it will become what? Value of this module only. So what we will do now? We have need to come to their label. What is that? Modules, project, and this one only, right? Now downside, okay, come inside that address class. Come inside that what? Address class. Now what is the attribute? Pin is there, right? Copy this one and what? Paste it. Colon, what is that? Pin is what? Pin is what? Pin is what? Just 202. Okay. Now another one is what? Another one is what? Location. LOC is there, right? Location is what? Match. Like this. Okay. Like this we will write for. So after doing these things, what we will do now? See the come in the problem section. Some error is there. So right click on the project. Right click on the project. Okay. Maven, update the project. Now force. Okay.
Ravi, pin integer.
Now run the application. See this, guys. Based on that ML also we can able to read the data, right? We can able to read the data. We are getting the result, right? We are getting the result on based on that what? Based on that ML only, right? Because already we come what? Already see inside that property, right? All things I commented, right? I commented because it's not reading the data from what? It's not reading the data from what? Data from what? Inside that property file. It's reading the data from what? ML file, guys. Okay, ML file. So now all the permutation and the combination we completed now, guys. Okay, so one more things. Okay, but see this. Okay, now in the real time, guys. Okay, so whenever our code will go inside that production, right? Production environment, right? Production environment. In that case, what will happen now, guys? What will happen now, guys? So in this case our application, right? We are creating the jar and the var. We are creating the jar and the var, then we are deploying. But see that this, guys. Okay, if you then, but you know, shall I explain now only? Okay, no, first I will explain one concept. Okay, one concept, then I will explain it. Okay. So till now whatever annotation we learn, guys, what is that? All annotation we apply on the top of what? Only source classes, right? So think about that in Spring, what is that? Predefined classes is there, right? Predefined classes is there. On those area we can apply? No. These things will come whenever we will move on. What is that, guys? Whenever we will move on what? Module. Just what we will do now, just we will write the property only. These things we don't have need to write, okay? Because of that I'm explaining, okay? These things will become what? Predefined only, okay? This is the core module. Because of that I'm explaining, okay? Whenever we will enter, you will not see, just we will, everything will be there based on that this property and ML file only, right? We will put all things will come as what? Predefined. Just we will write the what? Key and value. That's it. Everything will complete now, okay? So now fine, guys. So just what is that? We learn now, we learn till now what is that? At the rate, what is that? At the rate component, right? Component annotation. At the rate, what is that? Value annotation, right? Value annotation. And at the rate, what is that? Configuration. What is that? Properties annotation, right? So just think about that. If this annotation, if our class is there, we can able to apply it. But think about that, if any class will given by whom? Spring, right? Then how we can apply? No, we can't apply, right? So just think about that, right? Just example I'm giving, right? Just think about that. If this is what, just I'm giving one normal example, guys, okay? Now what is that example? Just I'm giving what example. So just think about that. This is the class, okay? This is the class sample. This is the sample class. If we have this class, right? If we have this class, then to create the object of this class, to intimate the container, what is the component component annotation we can able to apply it, right? After then what is that? So just think about that. Private, what is that? Private integer, what? Integer, just code I'm writing, right? Code. Then if this attribute is there, then we will read the, if we want to read the data from the property at the rate what? Value, right? Value, then we can read this data, right? Then we can able to read it, right? Then what we will do now? Dollar symbol, right? Dollar symbol. Then just my dot app, right? Think about that. This is okay. Then like this annotation, if our source is there, right? If our source is there, then we can able to write this annotation, right? Then we can able to write it, okay? Just think about that. What is that? Just what? if if already what is that? Jar file is there, right? If already jar file is there, we can able to apply on the those jar this annotation? No, we can't able to apply on those, right? On those on the top of those classes, what? On the top of those classes, what? This annotation, right? So for that, so for that to apply, so already predefined classes is there, right? So already predefined classes is there. So for that, what annotation we will use, guys? What annotation we will use, guys? At the rate configuration, at the rate configuration, and at the rate bean, at the rate what? Bean, at the rate configuration, and what? At the rate bean, guys, we can apply on the top of what? If predefined classes, if explicitly we are writing, then we can apply these annotations, guys, right? But if predefined classes is there, we can't able to apply on the top of these annotations, component, and what is that? Value, or what? At the rate configuration properties. So just think about that, what? At the rate. So if we have the class, right? If we have the predefined class, so for that what we will do now, guys? At the rate configuration, and what? At the rate bean annotation is there, right? To apply on the top of what? Apply on the top of what? Bean, sorry, predefined classes, right? To apply on the top of what? Predefined classes, guys, okay? So now fine, guys. So just what I'm going to do now. So if source, right? If our source is there, right? So just think about already. So 1 minute, guys. Okay. So what I'm going to do now? Just I'm going to open, right? Open one control shift T, right? Inside that what? runner class is there, right? Runner class is there in the jar and var file. We know that if web application is there, then var file is there. If what is that? See, because of decompiler in the Eclipse ID, right? In the what STS ID decompiler is there. Based on that, we are able to what? We are able to what? We are able to see this code, right? See this code. But what? This is the jar files, guys. Okay, which one we added inside that? What pom.xml, pom.xml. These jars. Okay, based on these jars. Okay, if these jars is there inside that jars, see that you have the capacity to apply on the top of C. This is the class only, right? 1 minute. I will open one class. Okay, internal resource view resolver is there, right? 1 minute. Which class can I? Okay, data source. No, data source also will not come because we are not selected, right? MBC. Okay, no problem. Just in this class only. Control Shift T. Okay. Just what I'm going to do now. Application runner both are there. Yeah. This just think about that. So no, I want what to apply on the top of what. See, enter also I'm clicking, it will not work. Anything. If you want to delete any letter here also, you can't, right? In the jar. In the jar, because it's already packaged now. Okay, it's already what? Packaged now. These jars. Okay, these jars already packaged now. Okay, so after packaging you can't do any changes, right? You can't do any changes. So for that, what is that? So 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 same like if this class means this class is given a string people to use it, just use it. Okay, but if you want to create the object of these classes in our what predefined classes is there, right? Predefined classes is there. If you want to create the object, if you want to create the object of those predefined classes, so for that we have need to use what? We have need to use what? This annotation to create the class of create the predefined class object, right? So we will apply on the top of that method. We will create one method inside the configuration class. Okay. So normal class, we will write the Java normal class and we will apply on the top of what? Configuration annotation. Then our IOC container will treat that class as what? That class as what? Configuration class. Then like so some rule is there, guys. Okay, how to write the Java configuration. So to write the Java configuration, some rules are there, right? Some rules are there. So what is the rule is there now, guys? What is the rule is there now? Let's see that. Okay, let's see this. Okay, let's see this one. Yeah. So to writing the predefined for the predefined purpose, guys. Okay, for the predefined purpose also. What is that? So Java configuration to apply on that, right? Predefined classes. So what is that for what is that Java configuration? Java configuration, right? So what we will do now? First step. What is that? Define what? Define what? Define what? One class, right? One public class. Okay, one public class. We have need to define what? One public class with what? With what? With what? Any name. With what? Any name. Like for example, just we are we are creating like example of what app config, right? App config, right? After then what we will do now? After then what we will do now? After then next step what we will follow, guys? Next step what we will follow now? Next, if object apply on the top of what? Apply at the rate configuration. Apply at the rate configuration. Then what will happen now? Then our container understand, right? Understand it is what? It is a Java configuration class. Configuration file, right? Then our IOC container will understand. Okay, so now next one is what? For object creation. If you want to create the object, right? If you want to create the object, then what you will do now? For what is that? For object, object, you must, right? What you will do now? You must you must what? You must define one method, right? And what you will do now, next what we will do now, fourth step, what we will do now, apply at the rate being over method, right? Over method, right? Method. Then what will happen now? Then our object, right? Our what is that? IOC container will create the object. Just think about that, guys. Just think about that. What? So just what I'm going to do now, I'm giving what to you. Just to think about that public. This is the public class is there, right? Public class simple. Class simple, right? Simple. In the future, guys, like JDBC, Spring ORM, and all those things will come as what? Come as what? Predefined. So just think about that. This is the predefined class. Okay, na? Just predefined. This is the predefined class, right? Predefined what? This is the, just think about that predefined class. Okay. Predefined class. Okay. Okay, this is the predefined class. Okay, just think about that. This is the predefined class. So how we can create the object of this predefined class? Okay, think about that. This class is given by whom? This class is given by whom? Spring people, right? Spring people. Okay, so I want to create the object of that class. So what we will do now? We will write one class, guys. Okay, so just what is that? Public. That class must be public. App any name. Okay, any name. Now inside that, what to represent, to make this class as what? Configuration file. So what is that? We will apply on the top of what? At the rate configuration. At the rate configuration. Now this is the bean, right? Number of bean equal to number of method. We will write what? Public what? Public what? Sample with the same return type, guys. Okay, with the same return type. Sample is there, right? Sample, just any name. So just I'm writing what is that? Return what is that? Return what? Sample, right? But still our IOC container will not create. When our IOC container will create the object of this class, whenever we will apply on the top of at the rate bean. Okay, this is the rule, right? This is the rule. Okay, then our IOC container will create the predefined classes object. Okay, in IOC container. Okay, this is the rule. This is the rule. Okay, so now we can't apply in the what? Predefined classes. We can't apply in the predefined. Return new. Fine. Here new, guys. Okay, here new. Then what will happen now? Then our IOC container will create the object, guys. Okay, so now fine, guys. Okay, let's because within the 1 minute meeting will end, guys. Okay, you people want break, or shall I continue? You people want break, because within the 1 minute, right, meeting will end. Okay, use the chat box, guys. Okay, use the chat box. Within the 1 minute meeting will end. Okay,